welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 46 in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like doll houses, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partoner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the plastic, and now it's time for an up-close look at the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style guys. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This is the number 46 guys. If you would like to see the previous 45, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the in cards. And here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it complete. It looks really cute. I can't wait until we finish it. It's gonna be so awesome. And guys, this is from Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure to check out the playlist in my channel. Let's just open this up. And here it says kitchen and bodega of the Dollhouse home. The Dollhouse home is something that they've talked about quite a bit in this collection. It's a very beautiful antique dollhouse. It's really cool. And here you can see like the wine storage, the kitchen. I guess this would be like a living room, or not living room, but dining room. And here it lists all of the different pieces, parts of the house, for this room I mean. It looks really cool. And here it shows like little jars of conserved food, so like pickles, that sort of thing, different pickled items. And here's the shot of just the kitchen again. And here it shows you how to use the two wooden pieces that we got, which I will show you in just a minute. And as with everything in this collection, guys, once we have the entire collection, I will walk you through how to do each of these projects. So we will build the dollhouse together. So make sure to stay tuned for that, guys. Make sure to hit the red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, tell me, what do you guys think about this collection? I would love to hear from you guys. And here is the historical section. It talks about the illustrator and painter Kate Greenaway. And well, guys, that's the end of that. We just have the front of the dollhouse there. And as I said before, guys, this collection is from Salvat. And well, let's flip this back to the front. And well, guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so first up we have these two wooden pieces for the house. There you see one side. It has these like grooves. And here's the other one. It came with two. It's just the same as the other one. And well guys, now it's time to open up our new little bath accessories. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, let's go ahead and let's open this up. Alright guys, so first up we have this very small perfume bottle. that's gold. It has like a seashell bottom, which you can see there. It has this little bauble on the top. It's very shiny. And then next up, you have this little heart perfume bottle. I guess they're all perfume bottles, but I'm not sure. It's cool that it's like pink, and then it has like this gold addition in the bottom and in the top. And then we have a red one with gold in the bottom, gold here, and then like a white pearlish top. It looks really cool. It looks like a gemstone type shape. It looks really cool. And then we have this like old style perfume bottle type thing, which is gold, and then it has like this crystal that you can see there, and then a pearl type thing here with a string. It looks really cool. I really like it. And this is really cool. It's like a little thing to hold the soap, and then it has the soap there. So like you're in the bathtub, and this would just hang on the side like this. That's pretty cool. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. And then this is the bag. It's just gold. It's really cool. I love this. This is really neat. And well guys, you tell me, which one do you like the best? This perfume bottle with the like squeegee thing here, this like red one, the gold one, or the heart one? Or do you like the soap thingy the best? Tell me it down in the comments below. And guys, sorry if you hear some sneezes in the background. My husband, poor thing, has a really bad cold. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to his channel to try and cheer him up. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Bartender. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.